friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana for another easy home project. In today's project, I am going to make reusable, multi-purpose and detachable puja stand or steps. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Now without any delay, let's get started. This base I got from Loaves. This wood base I got from Hobby Lobby for 40% off. I got these feet from Home Depot, 9-inch and 14-inch. I got these connectors from Amazon. You will need an electric drill. Last year for my puja decoration, I created this detachable puja stand. I got lot of requests how I made this detachable stand. This year I'm gonna upgrade it and create one more step to it. This is a very easy home project that you can make at home, which is detachable, reusable and easy to store and multi-purpose. This is the stand that I made last year for my puja decoration, and this year I am creating a small step for the same stand. Very easy, multi-purpose, detachable, reusable and easy to store puja stands are ready. Very easy home project that you can make at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas for your next home project. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.